Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like wearing jeans?
Yes, I enjoy wearing jeans because they are both comfortable and fashionable. Jeans can be dressed up or down for any occasion, and they are available in a variety of styles and colors. They are also long-lasting and can be cared for properly.
Question number 2. How often do you wear jeans?
I usually wear jeans once or twice a week. On weekends, I usually wear jeans to run errands or hang out with friends. Depending on my outfit and the dress code, I may wear jeans to work during the week.
Question number 3. Is wearing jeans common in your country?
In my country, wearing jeans is quite common. Jeans are a popular casual clothing option, particularly among younger people. Jeans are usually acceptable in more formal settings when paired with the collared shirt or blazer.
Question number 4. Did you ever wear jeans at school?
Yes, I used to wear jeans to school quite frequently. Because jeans were permitted under my school's dress code, I would frequently pair them with a collared shirt or a jumper. I also liked wearing jeans and trainers because it was both comfortable and fashionable.
Question number 5. Why are jeans famous all around the world?
Jeans are popular all over the world because they are comfortable, long-lasting, and versatile. Jeans can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion, and they are available in a wide range of styles and colors. They are also reasonably priced, and if properly cared for, they can last a long time.
Question number 6. Would you pay a lot to buy jeans?
It is dependent on the type of jeans I am purchasing. If I want a high-quality pair of jeans with a designer label, I am willing to pay more. However, if I'm looking for a basic pair of jeans for everyday wear, I'm more likely to choose a less expensive option.
Question number 7. Do you buy jeans from local markets?
Yes, I frequently purchase jeans from local markets. This way, I'll have a better idea of the jeans quality and more options to choose from. Plus, I can try on the jeans before purchasing them to ensure proper fit.
Question number 8. Do you like to buy branded jeans?
Yes, I enjoy purchasing branded jeans. Branded jeans are usually made of higher quality materials and are better constructed, so they last longer. Furthermore, they frequently come in a variety of styles and colors, giving me more options. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.